Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very tasty breakfast recipe using beetroot and potato filling. Beetroot is my favorite vegetable. I had already uploaded some more recipes using beetroot. Recipes in this video I recorded many days, not all together. Here I am going to show you 4 breakfast recipes using beetroot and potato filling. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of white rice, half cup of urad dal, 1/4 cup of chana dal. We need to soak this for minimum of 3 to 4 hours before grinding. 4 hours are over now, so now I am going to grind this to make a smooth batter for masala dosa. Now we need to keep this batter for fermentation. 8 to 9 hours fermentation is required, then only we will get a nice crispy dosa. This recipe I had already shared when I prepared simple masala dosa with potato filling. Add some salt and mix it really well. After this I am going to keep this batter in a warm place so that this dosa batter will get fermented really well. Here I have boiled 3 beetroots, medium sized beetroots and 2 potatoes. I peeled off the skin and grated it really well, and potatoes I mashed so that we can prepare a nice masala for nice filling for this masala dosa. Let's prepare nice filling for this dosa. Heat a pan, pour 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, let's add some finely chopped veggies like ginger, green chilies, sliced onions and all. I'm using here sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Coconut oil is fine. I like to experiment a lot of recipes using this vegetable, beetroot. Beetroot is my favorite vegetable. I don't know whether you have noticed or not, I had already shared many recipes like beetroot rava kesari, beetroot lassi, beetroot burger. You can expect more in my upcoming videos. Oil has heated up. I'm going to add finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped ginger and some sliced onions. I took 2 green chilies and 1 small sized ginger. Salt it well just to get rid of the raw taste of ginger and green chilies. Ginger and green chilies roasted really well. Now let's add finely chopped onions. Saute it well until it becomes soft and translucent. Adding some masalas into this: turmeric powder half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. And some mango powder, 3/4 teaspoon of mango powder, which will give a slight tangy flavor for this masala. Mixing it well so that the raw flavor of masala also go away. These masalas roasted well. Now I am going to add some water into this to combine everything together. Pouring half cup of water and mixing it well. To this I am adding grated beetroots and mashed potatoes. Mix well and let it absorb all these masala. Adding salt as per taste. Cover this up and cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes really flavorful. Finally, some coriander leaves. So our filling is ready. Let's prepare masala dosa. So dosa batter is ready. Batter fermented well. I'm adding little more water just to thin it down. Here I have a non-stick pan. Pan is hot. I'm going to pour 1 ladle full of dosa batter. Spreading it evenly all over the surface of the non-stick pan so that dosa will be really crispy and thin. Allowing this to cook for 1 to 2 minutes in medium flame. Rubbing some ghee to give a nice crispy texture for this dosa. Edges of the dosa has turned into crispy and golden in color. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of filling into this. Folding it from the sides, this is all ready to serve. Preparing another one. So our crispy and tasty masala dosa is ready to serve. Now I am going to show you some more variety dishes what you can make if you have any leftover filling after preparing this masala dosa. So let's see how to make that. First one is beetroot pasta. For preparing this, I am boiling 1 cup of pasta by adding some salt. We need to boil this for 6 to 8 minutes. After that, drain the water and keep this aside. Heat a pan, adding 1 teaspoon of butter into this. Butter got melted. Now let's add some masala, potato beetroot masala, which we already prepared. Mix it well. To this I am adding cooked pasta, mixing it well. I'm not going to add any masala into this because we had already added enough masala while preparing this beetroot potato filling. This is well combined. Finally, some cheese. Cheese is optional. You can serve it without adding cheese also. Mixing it once again. So our delicious beetroot pasta is ready to serve. It tastes so yummy. Next recipe is sandwiches. Here I have 2 milk bread slices. I trimmed the edges. Adding some green chutney. Green chutney recipe I had already shared in this channel. Adding some beetroot potato filling into this. One cheese slice. Let's toast these sandwiches. Applying some ghee on a non-stick pan. Placing these sandwiches. Toast it until the outer portion becomes crispy and golden in color. So these sandwiches are ready to serve. Next one is beetroot KATHI rolls. Here I have 1 chapati. Adding some green chutney and some beetroot potato filling. Some thinly sliced onions on the top of this. Half teaspoon of chaat masala for extra flavor. And some shredded cheese. First we need to fold it from the opposite sides and roll it like this. For another one, I'm adding some mayonnaise, spreading it evenly. Adding some filling, some onions, and some chili flakes, which will give an extra spicy flavor for this kathi rolls. Finally, some shredded cheese. First, we need to fold it from the opposite sides and gently roll it like this. So, toasting it in a pan, toasting it for 1 to 2 minutes. So our vegetable kathi rolls are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Until next video, bye bye.